To use the circle to search on a Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, first let's open a settings on our phone and we can move to the display. From here, scroll down and locate the navigation bar. Now in the buttons and in the swipe gestures, you can also find a circle to search right here. So if you're using buttons, you can click and hold home button, which will call out circle to search. Now, if you click on anything, the image or text on your screen, then it will highlight and for example, it will use the Google search to use this word that you selected in search options. You can also then translate it or copy it as well. And as I said, you can do it with the image, and this allows you to use image search as well. And when it comes to the swipe gestures, as you can see, there's no option to call it out. So the option is active, but touch and hold the home button or the navigation handle to OK. So for navigation, sorry for that, you need to hold the bar right here, which also uses the circle to search. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.